Today, right now, I'm driving to AutoZone to get an air filter. And yeah, because it's about time we need one. You know, you should probably change your air filters, you know what I'm saying? About every oil change would be great, but you know what I'm saying? Every two wouldn't hurt, so that's what I'm doing. It's the second oil change, and I'm about to get this new filter for it. You know what I'm saying? So this bad boy can breathe, you know? Get some oxygen. Yeah, I'll be back, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to put it in and then whatnot. I'm gonna be working on this Lincoln MKX. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just pulled up. See y'all in a sec. Yeah, man, everybody be safe out there, man, with this virus going on. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay out 6 feet. No, that ain't no joke. That's a real deal, Holyfield. But for real, for real. Yeah, man. Stay like right across the street from AutoZone, so it's like ain't nothing but a hop and a skip. Hop and a skip to the bucket. It's nice out. It's about to be what, 77 today? Nah, I mean not 77. I'm tripping. I wish it was 77. Nah, it's about to be 70 degrees though outside, man. So you already know I had to throw on the shorts. I gotta enjoy this weather while I can, man. For real. For real. But yeah, I mean I do a little work on cars. Not major work like that, like change the oil obviously and stuff like that, engine cooling, all that crap, air filter. Of course I can take tires off. I know how to take tires off. First thing you should know, if you can't change a flat, you shouldn't be driving. Men and women. No, but serious. For real. Your ass should not be behind that wheel. I'm gonna park in here a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna back in so I can get that good lighting for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Alright, so basically you got these two clips right here and down in there. I'm gonna snap these off. And then I'm gonna have to set this camera down so I can get up in there. And then I'll let them know. Then these just pop straight up. So clips right here. They go right back in there like that. Right in there. And you just basically slide this out and you pull it up. But you don't have to pull that far. You can easily just get to it right there. So, there's a bee in there. That's not good. But yeah, look at that. Dirty as hell. Yeah, piece of shit. That's what you call that. I'm gonna throw that to the side. Put in a nice brand new one. Look at that. You know? Just like that. Same way you take it out, same way you put it back in. And you go in there like that. Just sit right in there. Just like that. Make sure you tuck that in there. And everything's flushed. And then pop it back in place. Without breaking anything. The air filter could have still used it. Use the air hose and blow it out a little bit. And then bam. clips back on. I'm done. Take the old one, and I guess we can put it in here. So if your shit looks like this, you need to get another one. ASAP. This is only about 15 bucks at AutoZone, so yep, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the air filter change. Not that long of a video, but just give you guys something in this quarantine. Well, I guess we're not really quarantined anymore, but a lot of us are inside the house, is what I mean to say. And with nothing to do. So yeah, we good. I was gonna say I'll get a cold start for you.